The ITH Nutrunner ADS Type is available in 3 different versions: Basic, Standard and Digital. ADS Basic. 1 predetermined torque X works. ADS Standard. Simple analog adjustment by setting a dial. The torque values are lasered on the gearbox. ADS Digital. Adjust the torque and tightening angle with an ADS Smart Control. First, all components must be mounted to the ITH ADS. The reaction arm is equipped with a push button, which enables a much faster and safer way of positioning. Power wrench sockets can easily be secured to the ADS with a safety clamp. All parameters can be adjusted with the ADS Smart Control. Only one ADS Smart Control is needed to configure several ITH ADS. ITH ADS are equipped with a load gear 1 and a speed gear 2. For the following application you need to choose speed gear 2, a torque of 600 Nm and a tightening angle of 5 degrees. First switch to speed gear 2. On the foot of the ITH ADS you can see entered values. This is visible for the operator to view. The memory function allows previously entered parameters to automatically save, even when the battery is removed. The nuts must be finger-tight fastened before you can start bolting. The ADS Smart Control can be positioned outside the working area. This is safer for outside influences. The friction clutch can be positioned ergonomically. After reaching the torque target, the ITH ADS automatically shuts off and runs free. The bolting procedure will be shown on the display. The effect of loosening the bolt connection is quick and easy. Choose the right ITH ADS Nutrunner for your application. For further information, please visit ith.com.